Hey guys, this is Bob here. So I'm working on the race car and I couldn't get this negative cable tightened up. What happened, these two pieces here had closed together, and no matter how much I tightened this, it wouldn't tighten this any further. It wouldn't clamp it down, in other words, any further. So what you have to do, you take this bolt out and you get your pair of, I use these big old long needle noses. Once you get the bolt out, you can stick these down in here like that and just simply spread it apart. Real easy to do. It takes a few minutes. Take the cable off is easy if you can. And now that I've got it spread apart, I'm going to take my little grinder here with a little cutoff wheel, and I'm just going to kind of shave down. I tried to cut it with a razor blade. It's just lead. This is lead. This is too strong. So give my little grinder out, just kind of easily, just kind of knock it down a little bit where it'll close together tighter when I put it back together. So I'll show you that when I get it all done. Okay folks, that little cutoff wheel worked. You'll be real careful. And you can see I cut into the board as I was cutting through it. That's what the board's there for. And that's the amount that I cut off, just that little bit. Cut it off right in there. And also took this rat tail file, that's what this is called, a rat tail file, and I ran it through the hole and got this hole where this bolt will go through here and have a lot more play in it now, so it won't bind up either. And so now when we clamp down on this thing, it should tighten up really nicely. Of course, you got to be careful. I don't have as much meat here as I used to have. So, but this is a race car fix. Now, if I was working on somebody's late model car, $60,000, $80,000 SUV, I would not do this. But a daily driver just trying to get to work, or a hot rod race car. I'm from the generation that we try to fix things. We don't do parts replacing. I could have went to the store out the road, been back in 15 minutes with a new $40 cable. But I fixed that for free. Got the enjoyment of fixing it for free and sharing it with you guys. And again, this is fine for hot rods and daily drivers and beaters. Not fine for your wife's 2023 Mercedes or whatever. I wouldn't be doing that. So, all right, folks, let me put this on the car and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, folks, battery cable is on. It's good and tight. Plenty of gap there to continue to close it up if I need to, which if I did need to do that because it's so thin right here, I'd probably just put a washer in here now. But this is going to fix this problem. So I hope you guys got something out of that. Hit that thumbs up button, folks. Check out some of the other videos we got on the channel. We've been doing this for over 3 years, and the views of the older videos are up quite a bit. Hit the like button would really be nice. It helps the algorithms. And scroll down and find some other videos. We got all kinds of car content on here. Something for everybody. So scroll down, you see another video. I'd appreciate it if you'd watch it, maybe a couple of videos, and hit the thumbs up on them too. So for now, Bob out, folks.